Hey guys, today I'm going to show you some library arena tricks to get easy kills. If your enemy is taking TPP in his base, you can go from a secret way to kill him. Just jump and crouch and get in the secret way to get some easy kills. Just wait for your enemies and kill them easily. This is what it looks like when your enemy does this trick. Now second trick, just go on enemy's respawn place and jump on the box, then climb on railings and get prone here to get some easy kills. Third trick, just stay in corner and wait for your enemies to kill them easily. Thanks for watching.